10 visible symptoms of baby boy during pregnancy. Here are 10 symptoms to predict baby gender. 1. Height and shape of your bump. There are tons of opinions on this. It is said that if you are carrying low in your abdomen, possibly you are having a boy. It is like a basketball is in your tummy and very low. A low pregnant belly, closer to your pelvis, is usually indication of baby boys. For girls, it is thought you carry higher. Though there is no scientific explanation to why baby boys are carried low, it certainly is fun to guess. Usually, when a pregnant woman's belly is lower, it has to do with her body type or just her muscle mass. While this symptom of baby boy during pregnancy is considered to be a myth by some, many believe it to be completely true that carrying low equals to a boy. 2. Food cravings. One of the popular symptoms of having a baby boy is related to your pregnancy cravings. What kind of food you crave might be an indicator of your baby's gender. Are you craving for sour, savory, or salty food? It is believed that if you crave for savory and spicy snacks, it is expected to be a baby boy. But if you are going gaga over sweets, then it can be a baby girl. While it is nice to indulge in cravings and get pampered, do watch if it is healthy as well. 3. Morning sickness. Another most common pregnancy symptom is morning sickness. When you are suffering from nausea and actually start throwing up, it is an indication that a baby is growing inside you. Morning sickness happens because of the hormonal changes that happen during pregnancy. Your hormones can go mad and it will be tough to keep food inside. The lesser mornings without any morning sickness, the more chances to welcome a junior master. Not to forget, even the sight or taste of certain foods can have you rush to the bathroom. When you have heard a lot about morning sickness from your closed ones and don't experience anything of it, you are very lucky. And this also suggests that possibly you are going to have a baby boy. People say girl baby inside you causes severe morning sickness than boys. So if you don't feel sick and are comparatively relaxed, it may be a baby boy inside you. 4. Heartbeat. Hearing the baby's heartbeat is an incredible experience, a miracle really. Listening to your baby's heartbeat is a joy that you cannot express in words. There appears to be some evidence of baby boys having a heart rate below 140, while girls tend to have a heart rate above 140 inside the womb. Pay attention to beats per minute if you want to determine if you are having a baby boy or a baby girl. This is something that people love to hear about, because there is some evidence that says lower heart rate is for little boys, especially if that happens continuously during the scans. So next time you go for your ultrasound scan, watch out for this symptom of having a baby boy. 5. Face, skin, and dry hands. Getting a lot of pimples in pregnancy? Then there are chances that it's a boy in your tummy. If you had a healthy skin before, and now during pregnancy, if you are facing many problems like pimples, then you may have a little prince in your belly. The lesser glow you get on your face, the more chances to welcome a prince. Sounds strange? Isn't it? Some skin problems are more with carrying a boy than with carrying a girl. At least, that is what many people believe. Hormones go crazy no matter if you are carrying a baby boy or a baby girl. It is an interesting belief that if your hands are getting drier than normal, then there is a boy growing in the belly. Our body goes through a lot of changes during pregnancy. If you have never had a problem of dryness in hands before, then it may be a hint your body is trying to give you. These symptoms of baby boy during pregnancy are beliefs that people vouch on. 6. Urine color. Depending on a few possibilities, the color of your urine may change. Drinking more water will make the color appear clear. If not, then the color gets darker. It's obvious that because of the hormonal variations, the color of urine varies during pregnancy. But if it's dark yellow, chances are more to welcome a baby boy. Typically, cloudy, lighter urine means girl, whereas darker in color urine is an indication of baby boys. 7. Hair growth. Though pregnancy can arrive with a lot of unpleasant side effects, this one is welcomed by all women. It is believed that women carrying baby boy experience more hair growth. On the other hand, women lose their hair faster when carrying a girl. During pregnancy, most women experience reduced hair fall and tend to grow stronger hair, making it look thick and luscious. This is the result of the hormonal changes in your body. This is also a symptom of baby boy inside you. 8. Sleeping pattern varies. As your pregnancy progresses, sleep may seem to be a difficult task. It is not at all comfortable with the growing belly. It is good to avoid sleeping on your back and stomach and sleep on your sides during your pregnancy. Do you favor a particular side when you sleep? Most of us do have a favorite sleeping position. If this applies to you as well, then these symptoms of baby boy during pregnancy can help you. How you decide to sleep gives a hint on baby's gender. Moreover, if you are more comfortable to sleep on your left, then that is a sign of baby boy. Believe it or not, but sleeping on the left side is the preferred choice of women having boys in their womb. 9. Lena Nigra. The Lena Nigra, often referred to as the pregnancy line, is a dark-colored line that goes down your pregnant belly. Actually, it is always there, but goes unnoticed. The line gets dark as your pregnancy starts progressing and months pass by. Not everyone experiences this while pregnant. Lena Nigra seems to play an important role in predicting the sex of the baby. When the line tends to continue all the way till the rib cage, then possibly it is a baby boy. Disadvantage is that not all women experience this line. 10. Cold feet and hands. This one is another symptom of baby boy during pregnancy. When you feel too much of cold on your feet, they predict it's a little boy. Well, it could also mean that you aren't wearing enough warm clothes and may get prone to infections. But many people believe these hint is an indicator that it might be a boy on the way. However, the only sure and scientific way to know your unborn baby's gender is to do an ultrasound from a trained doctor. Moreover, as your pregnancy progresses, ultrasound would be done as a part of routine checkup. Even when you have an ultrasound, the physician may be unable to determine the gender of your baby due to a number of circumstances. In India, it is illegal to disclose the gender of baby during pregnancy. It is also illegal for you to ask. So the gender of the child remains a big mystery until the delivery. So, these are 10 visible symptoms of baby boy during pregnancy. However, remember that these are just some signs and beliefs.